Trump campaign advisor Carter Page holding Democrats accountable if the government won't. Carter Page now suing the Democrat National Committee for funding false opposition research used by the FBI to spy on him. Page has been pretty public about how much this has hurt him personally, his reputation and his business. I want to move on to Hans von Spakovsky. He's with the Heritage Foundation. He's a legal fellow. You know, Hans, Page also sued the law firm of Perkins Coie.
Right.
His lawyer is saying this is just the beginning. We could see more lawsuits.
Yeah, look, these kind of defamation lawsuits are usually pretty tough to win, especially for someone who's considered a public figure like Carter Page. But if I was the liability carrier for the DNC or the Perkins Coie law firm, I'd be getting out my checkbook to settle this case because, look, they engineered a false report, which they then fed to federal law enforcement to get a spying operation against Carter Page. And Carter Page now has a 500-page report from the DOJ IG talking about how false and fraudulent the dossier was. And we just had the Justice Department admit in a report, a filing they made with the FISA court, that they actually didn't have probable cause to open up this investigation.
Yeah, in 2 of the 4 FISA warrants. Can you explain why there's been, up to now, there's been cricket silence from the Hillary Clinton campaign and the DNC on this story? At the heart of this is their funding of the debunked, discredited Steele dossier. The DOJ watchdog found that CIA told the FBI, the CIA looked at it as internet rumor. Steele told the FBI his sources embellished. Steele's sources told the FBI Steele exaggerated. Just word of mouth, hearsay over beers. You are absolutely right. When the WikiLeaks released the hacked emails from the DNC, the Democrats went on the move. They got this Steele dossier, and then they tried to put it inside the FBI to get the probe launched. Your reaction?
Well, look, they obviously haven't admitted anything because they are, I think, legally, potentially in deep trouble. And that's why this lawsuit's been filed by Carter Page. You know, his lawyer, Page's lawyer, has said this is just the start. I frankly expect the next lawsuit is going to be a lawsuit against the federal government, against the FBI and the DOJ.
Well, you can't sue a government, but James Comey is out of office. Could he be sued?
Well, you can sue individual government officials under a particular federal statute and particular case precedent, a case called a Bivens action. Okay. And I think that's going to be the next lawsuit against these government officials.
Wow. Hans, we'll have you back on. Thanks so much for your insights there. Great to see you. Come back soon.